For dough, 1.5 cups of warm water, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon of dry yeast, 4 to 5 cups of flour, added slowly to the dough. You can increase it if necessary. After adding flour to a bowl, add dry yeast to it. After adding a small amount of water, let it ferment for about 10 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add warm water. Knead the dough. Cover the dough to ferment. Wait for it to ferment. Meanwhile, prepare the inside of the pancake. Finely chop the spinach and put it in a bowl. Chop the white cheese, then add it to the spinach. Add 1 teaspoon of salt into the mortar. Add 1 teaspoon of ground pepper into the mortar. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Mix the mortar. The dough was fermented. Roll out egg-sized pieces from the dough and roll them in your hand. Roll out the dough with a rolling pin. Put the dough we put on one side of the mortar we prepared and close it in D shape. Put the dough we put on one side of the mortar we prepared and close it in D shape.